This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing in to BNI Connect with your membership ID and verified email so the system recognizes your chapter. Once logged in, make sure to complete your profile photo, contact details, and primary referral category. This helps people find you fast. You should also enable notifications so you catch referrals and meeting invites in real time. If you see any missing fields, fill them now because accurate data powers good referrals and ensures you appear when members search. You now focus on building and managing contacts and referrals inside the app. Add new connections or import contacts, then tag them by referral strength so you prioritize follow-ups. This organizes your pipeline. When creating a referral, include the contact, the client need, clear next steps, and an estimated value because that context converts introductions into business. Once done, use search and filters to track who referred what and follow up promptly to close the loop and maintain trust. Finish by managing meetings, reports, and resolving common issues so your BNI activity counts. You should check the weekly agenda, upload guest details, and submit your 60-second presentation ahead of time to stay visible. Meeting attendance and timely reporting drive credit. Run referral and closed business reports to reconcile contributions and follow up on promised introductions. If data doesn't sync, clear the app cache, log out and back in. And if problems persist, contact your chapter admin because they can refresh permissions or escalate support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.